Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Luigi and Toad from Super Mario. Let's start drawing. Start with Luigi's eyes and nose. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to support us. Thank you so much. Then draw his eyebrow. Draw his hat like this. Then I draw his ears and his hair, his beard and his smiling mouth. And then I draw his clothes, his fingers and a circle on the outside. Next to Luigi, I draw Toad. He is Mario's friend. Start with his eyes, then I draw his smiling mouth. Draw a shape of his face, then draw his head. Toad is a mushroom, so I drew it like this. His hands. His clothes. Finish with a circle on the outside and his shoe. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I used a green marker to paint Luigi's hat and his clothes. Blue for his eyes. Black. Brown for his hair. Dark blue and yellow for his clothes. Now I'm going to use cream for his skin. I color the background dark green. Now let's color Toad. Start with red for his head. Dark blue and yellow for Toad's clothes. Brown. I use cream for his skin. Finally, I color the background gray. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!